Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to my kitchen where we transform leftovers into flavor explosions. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of salami. That's right, those leftover cold cuts are about to become the star of the show. Salami, with its rich, savory flavor, is incredibly versatile. It's like the culinary chameleon of the meat world. From appetizers to main courses, we're about to embark on a flavor journey that'll have you saying, Salami, you the real superstar. So, grab your aprons, crank up the tunes, and let's get cooking some salami magic. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. First up, we're kicking things off with a vibrant appetizer that screams party in your mouth. These salami sunrise skewers are the perfect way to impress your guests. They're easy to assemble, bursting with flavor, and look as good as they taste. All right, let's get skewering. Thread a cherry tomato onto each skewer, followed by a mozzarella ball, a folded piece of salami, and a fresh basil leaf. Repeat this pattern until your skewers are loaded. Ingredients: 12 cherry tomatoes, 12 small mozzarella balls or cubed fresh mozzarella, 12 slices of salami folded in half, 12 fresh basil leaves, and 12 wooden skewers. These skewers are best served fresh, so get ready to wow your guests with these flavor bombs. Next up, we're turning up the heat with some spicy salami quesadillas. These cheesy, gooey delights are the perfect comfort food with a spicy kick. They're quick, easy, and oh so satisfying. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Place one tortilla in the skillet and sprinkle half of the cheese over it. Layer half of the salami slices, followed by half of the jalapenos and another sprinkle of cheese. Top with the remaining tortilla. Ingredients: 2 large flour tortillas, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 6 slices salami chopped, and 2 jalapeno peppers seeded and sliced. Don't forget the cooking spray. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and the cheese is melted and gooey. Slice into triangles and serve with your favorite salsa and sour cream. Get ready to spice up your life. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to create a flavor combination that'll rock your world. Salami and pineapple pizza pockets. These handheld delights are the perfect blend of sweet, savory, and cheesy goodness. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Unroll the pizza dough and cut it into 6 equal squares. Place a slice of salami on each square, followed by a pineapple chunk and a sprinkle of cheese. Fold the dough over to form a triangle, pinching the edges to seal. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Let them cool slightly before diving into these flavor-packed pockets of joy. Ingredients: 1 can, 13.8 ounces, refrigerated pizza crust, 6 slices salami, 6 chunks canned pineapple, drained half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Get ready to impress your taste buds with these elegant and flavorful salami and cheese-stuffed mushrooms. They're the perfect appetizer or side dish for any occasion, and they're surprisingly easy to make. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Remove stems from mushrooms and chop them finely. In a bowl, mix chopped mushroom stems, cream cheese, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salami, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Fill each mushroom cap with the mixture. Place in a baking dish and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and bubbly. Garnish with fresh parsley and get ready to savor the flavor. Ingredients: 12 large white mushrooms, 4 ounces cream cheese, softened quarter cup breadcrumbs, quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese, 4 slices salami, finely chopped, half a teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's dive into a quick and nutritious breakfast idea: salami and avocado toast. Perfect for a busy morning or a light lunch, this recipe combines the creamy goodness of avocado with the savory kick of salami. First, toast your favorite type of bread until it's golden brown and crispy. While the bread is toasting, slice a ripe avocado and mash it in a bowl with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for added zing. Next, spread the mashed avocado evenly over the toasted bread. Top it off with thin slices of salami, arranging them neatly for a visually appealing presentation. For an extra touch of flavor, sprinkle some red pepper flakes and drizzle a bit of olive oil. And there you have it, a deliciously simple salami and avocado toast that's ready in minutes. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 1 ripe avocado, salt and pepper to taste, lemon juice to taste, 4 slices of salami red pepper flakes, olive oil. Enjoy this delightful combination that's sure to brighten up your day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these creative recipes using leftover salami cold cuts, please like and subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time.